A big investment for some big machines. That's the talk of the town in Mountain Iron as U.S. Steel puts up more than $60 million into a local mine. CBS 3's Kristen Vaki takes us into Minntac tonight. She learned about how a revamp of some older machines is not only making a difference in production, but also in the safety of its operators and its impact on the environment.
Turning something old into something new.
It's a really good reuse. So instead of buying a new shovel and getting rid of one, we're reusing the bulk of that equipment, but just upgrading it and making it more efficient.
It's known as the Electric Shovel Rebuild Project, and after 4 years of work, employees at Minntac celebrated its completion Wednesday.
This is the 6th and final rebuild of our electric shovel rebuild campaign. Electric shovels are much larger in size. They're, more, I guess you could say, green, because they're just using, the electricity from the electrical cord that plugs into them. They don't need to stop to be refueled. They can just keep running. And from shift to shift, they're very quiet. They're smooth to operate.
Jay Sanders knows a little something about operating a shovel.
Controllers are different.
With 31 years in the industry and 4 generations of miners in his family, you could say he's an expert behind the controls and a fan of the new technology.
So it's easier?
Yeah. Much more comfortable.
Jay operates one electric shovel out of Minnac's fleet.
Now that fleet of electric shovels is growing, and it could be a sign of what's to come in the future.
So for us, electric is absolutely the future of the mining equipment.
That's Rod Bull with Komatsu. They were part of the electric shovel rebuild at Minntac.
If you look at the machine itself, which we're super proud of, and you see the new paint job, that's exciting as it looks like a brand new machine even though it's over 20 years old. But from an employee perspective, when you see the pride and the time that these guys put into making sure every bit of the quality is spot on, that's the most rewarding part for sure.
As the mine prepares to get the shovels into operation, employees say the investment from U.S. Steel is a good thing for the local mining industry.
It's a huge sign to all the employees here that there's a commitment by U.S. Steel that our facilities are here to stay, and they're putting a significant amount of money into us, and that they support us and see that we're important to the company.
On top of the shovel rebuilds, U.S. Steel also invested in 2 brand new P&H shovels for Minnac's fleet. Mine officials tell us that they expect the rebuilt shovels to be hard at work as soon as Friday evening.